How to edit a voice memo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Voice Memos application on your phone. Once you're here, tap to open any folder. You can view all the voice memos in this folder. Tap on the voice memo you want to edit from here. Then, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the memo. And then, tap on Edit Recording. You can edit the voice memo from here. If you want to change the memo name, then double-tap the name above to edit it. You can also trim the recording if you want. Tap on the three dots at the top right and select Trim. Then, drag to set the length and tap on the Trim button. After that, tap on Apply at the top right corner. After previewing, tap on Done below. You can choose Replace the old recording or save it as a new recording. Following these steps, you can easily edit a voice memo on iPhone.